Hi, my name is Pablo Cesar Aranda. I am a student in Engineering Industrial at UNAT, SEAT Palmira. Present my ID and present tax-free planning the trip. Description of plates. Today I will talking about to Popayan City. Popayan in the department of Cauca. Uh, has one of the richest historical centers of Colombia and South America. It is now as the White City and for its traditional Holy Week uh, that has more fine century of tradition in America. Duration of trip. Your visit should last 4 days, approx. Distribute like this. Day one, make the tour of historic center of the city. You can visit Park Caldas. Day two can to also visit the Humilladero Bridge. Day three, visit the Patojo Village. You can buy many details here. Therefore, you can clean the morrow the tulkam and drink hot chocolate. Is beautiful. Means of transportation. Popayan is a small city. You can make walking tour, but you can take taxi or a city bus to make the tour. Uh, Activities to do. You can visit the Sundial city, visit the Patojo Village. If they do go during Holy Week, uh, they can also visit the Millero Bridge, Museo Natural Museum, climb the Morro Tulcán, and see the whole city from there. City Sundial, Holy Week, Natural Museum, and Morro de Tulcán. Place to stay. Uh, in Popayan, there are many hotels to stay, but cheapest ones are Torre Luz Plaza Hotel, Alto Prado Popayan Hotel, Camino Real, and Hotel Coral. These options are very good. You drink, you enjoy to stay. Typical foods: pipián empanadas, corn wrappers, delicious. Dulce cortado, yuca mantecadas, and manjar blanco. Manjar blanco. It's foods on delicious. Costs. The cost this trip is 1 million 500,000 Colombian peso or mm, three 305 dollars, including loading. These thanks for your attention. Bye.